Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Auto Reviews. Today, we're diving into an in-depth look at the all-new 2025 Maruti Suzuki Dzire, a compact sedan that's been turning heads and setting new benchmarks in its segment. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Dzire boasts a refreshed design that exudes modernity and elegance. The front fascia features a sleek grille flanked by sharp LED projector headlamps with integrated LED daytime running lights, giving it a bold and sophisticated look. The sculpted lines along the sides enhance its aerodynamic profile, while the new dual-tone alloy wheels add a touch of sportiness. At the rear, the LED tail lamps and a subtle chrome accent on the boot lid complete the contemporary styling, ensuring the Dzire stands out on the road. Moving inside, the Dzire's cabin has been thoughtfully redesigned to offer a premium feel and enhanced comfort. The spacious interior is adorned with high-quality materials, including faux wood accents and soft-touch surfaces. The seats are ergonomically designed, providing excellent support for both short commutes and long drives. Rear passengers benefit from ample legroom, and the inclusion of rear AC vents ensures comfort for all occupants. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a 9-inch SmartPlay Pro Plus touchscreen infotainment system, compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity on the go. Additionally, features like a push-button start, automatic climate control, and a multifunctional steering wheel enhance the overall driving experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Dzire is powered by a new 3-cylinder 1.2-liter petrol engine from Maruti's Z family, delivering a balanced mix of performance and fuel efficiency. Despite the shift from a 4-cylinder to a 3-cylinder configuration, the engine produces adequate power for city driving and highway cruising. The lightweight construction of the Dzire contributes to its peppy acceleration and nimble handling. Drivers can choose between a 5-speed manual transmission and an automatic gearbox, both tuned for smooth and responsive shifts. One of the standout aspects of the Dzire is its impressive fuel efficiency, with real-world figures often exceeding 20 kmpl, making it one of the most economical choices in its class. Safety has been a paramount focus in the 2025 Dzire. Built on the robust hard-packed platform, it has achieved a 5-star safety rating for adult occupants in Global NCAP crash tests, a first for Maruti Suzuki. Standard safety features include dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and ISOFIX child seat anchors. Higher variants offer additional features such as a rear-view camera and electronic stability control, providing peace of mind for both the driver and passengers. The Dzire's unique selling points extend beyond its safety credentials. The integration of a 360-degree camera and the availability of a sunroof and higher trims add a touch of luxury to the compact sedan segment. The combination of a refined interior, advanced infotainment system, and exceptional fuel efficiency positions the Dzire as a leader in its class. Moreover, Maruti's extensive service network and reputation for reliability further enhance its appeal to a broad spectrum of buyers. Pricing for the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Dzire is competitive, with ex-showroom prices ranging from a superscript 16.79 lakh for the base variant to a superscript 110.14 lakh for the top-spec model. This pricing strategy ensures that the Dzire offers value across its variant lineup, catering to both budget-conscious consumers and those seeking a more feature-rich experience. In conclusion, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Dzire emerges as a well-rounded compact sedan that successfully blends style, comfort, performance, and safety. Its modern exterior design, coupled with a thoughtfully appointed interior, makes it a compelling choice for urban commuters and small families alike. The emphasis on fuel efficiency and the inclusion of advanced features typically found in higher segments underscore Maruti Suzuki's commitment to delivering value for those in the market for a reliable and stylish sedan. The new Dzire certainly deserves serious consideration. Thank you for tuning into Auto Reviews. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews and automotive content. Drive safe and see you in the next video.